Hello, my name is Lawrence Dixon, and my action assignment is over headphones. Headphones timeline consists of the first headphones in 1880, electric phones in 1890, which are large but not portable headphones, wireless headphones in 1960, portable headphones in 1979, noise canceling headphones in 1989, and Bluetooth headphones in 2004. Types of headphones are over-ear headphones. We have better quality but less stability. On-ear headphones, less quality and less heavier. Noise canceling headphones cancels out external noises that come from the environment. Gaming headphones, built-in microphone. Sports headphones built for not falling off your head during exercise. Features and characteristics of headphones include enhanced audio quality, enable hands-free communication, supports multiple devices, store and travel easily, designed for specific use cases. The specific use cases are gaming, music production, and communication. Where is it used? It's used in personal listening, which is the primary use for headphones. It is when you use headphones to listen to like music and stuff. Gaming, communication, fitness, recording and production, podcasting, noise reduction, education, such as computer labs, or if you're at home on the online course, concerts, or music festivals, and traveling. Target audiences are music lovers, gamers, students, travelers, professionals, such as musicians, DJs, and audio engineers, fitness enthusiasts that like to listen to music while they're doing the fitness, entertainment enthusiasts, such as people who like to go to parties, listen to music in the headphones. The improvements that could be made to headphones include reduced sound leakage. Reduced sound leakage is the noise reduction that comes with minimizing the amount of sound that escapes from the headphones. This feature is useful in shared spaces where you want to keep your audio content private. Another improvement is wireless charging. Another improvement that can be made and improve noise canceling because you can still hear some noise from outside your headphones. The impact of headphones is you can listen to audio properly. You block out noise, like if you're doing school, like how I do school. I can listen to videos for the class using my headphones. Enhance gaming. Use headphones to enhance your gaming, so you can listen to the experience of gaming while you're having a competition with friends. The feature of headphones include integration with virtual assistants, which allows you to control your headphones hands-free using the voice commands. You can access various features such as playing the music, checking the weather, and set reminders without having to touch your headphones. This can help amputees that can't touch the headphones, which is easy to use. Increased connectivity is also another thing that you can use in the future. Allows you to connect your headphones to multiple devices simultaneously. This feature is useful when you want to switch between the devices, such as your phone, laptop, or your tablet, without having to disconnect and reconnect your headphones each time. Augmented reality capabilities. Augmented reality capabilities for headphones allow you to hear virtual sounds and superimposed on the real world. This feature is useful for gaming or entertainment applications where you want to create an immersive experience that goes beyond visual effects. Will headphones be around in the near future? Yes. In the next 5 years, headphones will continue to be a part of modern life. The demand for headphones will continue to grow because people want to use them for audio content. We are going to start seeing more headphones with voice control capabilities. These are my references I use for this PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for listening to my presentation.